I never felt comfortable in my own skin. Like, I felt like I had to be perfect all the time. I felt like I had to please people. Not a fun way to live. You know, I'm just so grateful that I came here and that I did this program, because it's changed my life. I started off with anorexia, and then around 20 years old, I started bulimia, and the other addictions came in, and I couldn't manage it anymore. And so I tried to get help. I would go into treatments. I'd last 3 days, and then I'd leave. And that happened for about 2 years, on and off. I'd go in treatments, leave, go in treatments, leave, and I just couldn't, until I came here, I just couldn't get help.
We'd like to start off our check-ins today.
I was really in a bad place when I got here, and they really made sure to look out for me and meet my needs, and they're very gentle and kind and supportive with me, and I really like that about this program.
If someone's not ready for something, we don't force them into it. We take a stance that's collaborative. We figure out what they can do and find a different way to get them to where they need to be. And so a lot of times we're able to overcome motivational hurdles that people couldn't otherwise.
Most programs are strictly by the book, but Cielo House isn't like that. They don't measure food here at Cielo, which is really cool. I've never been to a program that doesn't measure food, It's always very rigid, and that's what I like about it. It's very normalized.
We cultivate trust amongst our clients. They trust us, and we trust them to unlock their own potential. And we feel like it's that trust that's something they build upon. And they in turn can learn to trust others in their lives as well. We actually don't have any patients. We have clients. And our clients become almost like a family to one another.
I was kind of aghast because I wasn't used to people helping me out and wanting to be there and being so supportive of me. I was used to fighting on my own and doing everything for myself. And so to have people that actually cared about me, kind of just shocked me. I wasn't expecting that.
It's hard to put into words what makes Cielo House different, but it's in these little things. It's in the way that we do things, the subtleties that we administer our treatment. That is what makes Cielo House different. We actually have fun in treatment. It's not a sterile setting where people are walking around gloomily all the time. We try and make treatment fun. And sometimes our clients don't even recognize that they're in treatment. That's really our goal, is to make it so that they feel so comfortable they don't even acknowledge they're receiving treatment.
They have such a variety of different groups here, the equine therapy, the philosophy group, the process groups. They have a goal setting group on Mondays.
We help people understand that every day there's something wonderful that awaits them. It's part of the philosophy that we utilize. And so clients have experiences every day that are unique and that they won't have in other settings.
When I first got here, I was not about the horses. That was not my thing. I'd never actually ridden a horse before. And so for me to be able to get up and actually ride a horse was really powerful. I could see over the course of my time being here just how much closer I got to the horses and how much more comfortable I got with the horses, and it was nice. It was I feel like I experienced a lot of therapeutic value from being with the horses.
Horses, they're amazing, and they're fear-based animals. And what they do is they have a heightened sensitivity to their environment, and they reflect back to us things about ourselves that we didn't even know. And cultivating bonds with these horses, getting to the point of comfort with them, is really quite an achievement for clients. So working with these powerful fear-based animals is truly amazing.
The groups are different, the equine therapy, the beach, just being out here. Something about being out here, at Moss Beach, really it's just serene and beautiful, and it's getting out of my environment.
Everyone has all of their privileges from day one, and we utilize these experiences to engage our clients. They become incentivized, essentially, to participate in the treatment community, and so that enables them to move forward.
I had such a negative outlook on life before I came here, and so by coming here and rechanneling that into positive energy and just really focusing on the positive things that are going on in my life and not the negative things. It's trying to incorporate love into our lives, because for so long we've been beating ourselves down and slowly killing ourselves in a way, really. And so it's kind of like we don't know how to like love ourselves, and it's like, how can you live if you don't know how to like treat yourself well? And so it's just kind of like learning how to live all over again. Like basically it's like a second chance at life, really. That's what it is.
Getting to see the spirit come back in clients. Oftentimes they arrive here and they've lost hope. And little by little, they become alive again. You can literally see the spark come back into their eyes over time. They start smiling, they start laughing, and it's really incredible to see. Cielo House is here for you, and we're ready to welcome you to our community. Welcome home.